How to install YouTube app in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store on your phone. The App Store is Apple's digital distribution platform for mobile apps on its iOS and iPadOS operating systems. Once you're inside, tap on the Search tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This allows you to look for specific applications. In the search bar at the top, type in YouTube and initiate the search. From the search results list, locate and tap on the YouTube app. Tap on Install to install the app, and once done, tap on Open to open the application. Same way, you can install any app that you want. Following these steps, you can easily install YouTube app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.